It's the Texas weather discussion video for Thursday, the 28th of March. I'm Donovan Neal. Mostly very dry for the next several days. Our next chance of rain, actually, tomorrow and possibly Saturday morning. So let's check things out here. Here's the upper air map across continental United States. Mostly an eastern flow aloft and a very dry air mass. Pretty almost a near cloudless sky in northwest and north central Texas and parts of the deep and parts of the eastern half of the country. Temperatures this morning not too bad, mostly in the upper 50s to low 60s, much like a spring look, and we'll be in the mid 70s later today. Around the nation, looking a lot like spring. Still some cold air in the north, but it's not that bad, even for the 20th of March. On a watch warning map, relatively quiet for late March, not much going on across the country. On the convective outlooks, no organized severe weather is expected. Tomorrow, we have a standard slight risk in effect for the central two-thirds of central and eastern Oklahoma. Surrounding that, we have a marginal risk that does clip into some parts of North Texas. It does include the northern two-thirds of Collin and Denton counties, but I think we won't see that much of a severe weather risk. And I'll explain why in a little bit. And on day 3, that risk shifts to the east. Precipitation, QPS for the across the nation. Not much rain for parts of North Texas, mostly a quote-unquote drizzle or dusting expected for the next week or so. Anything that we see on Friday or Saturday should remain few and far between. So let's go on to the model output. This is the 06Z run of the GFS, followed this afternoon at 1 o'clock. Mostly a broad ridge for much of the central and eastern half of the country, and down here as a result of that will stay mostly dry and breezy. Again, highs in the mid 70s with a mostly sunny sky. Now on Friday, those rain showers start to move through during the afternoon hours. And I say the best chance of a spot getting wet is mostly in the 30 to 40% bracket. I don't think we'll have to worry about much in terms of severe weather. I think all that will be confined in Oklahoma, where there's stronger forcing. And I think we'll see some storms struggle to initiate even here. So we'll keep it with highs in the upper 70s with a mix of sun and clouds throughout the day. And then that rain continues to persist through Saturday. Again, very small chances of rain, highs mostly in the low 60s with that cold as a result of that advertised cold front coming through. Now Sunday that rain pushes through. We do have a 1032 millibar high that pushes just a little bit of cold air, and we'll be in the mid 50s as a result of that on Sunday. But we'll still stay mostly sunny and dry though. And here's Monday of next week, the first day of April actually. The first day of April should be mostly sunny, dry. We start to warm up, highs in the low 60s, and then we reach the upper 60s by Tuesday. And here's Wednesday, pretty much the same deal, mostly sunny, maybe a mix of sun and clouds, but we continue to warm with highs in the low 70s. Here's a week from today, Thursday the 4th of April, pretty much still a broad ridging down here, and down here that could be another chance of some showers for parts of North Texas. And here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Saturday, the 6th of April. That just reminds me of the heat bubbles for parts of the summertime heat bubbles. So we have a ridge in the west, and down here, as a result of that, much of that region stays dry. But you can see for the numbers for the next 15 days coming off the European ensemble, highs mostly in the 70s through Friday, and then for the weekend, we pretty much fall off pretty drastically with that well-advertised cold front coming through, and then we warm up by Monday. I don't think we'll be in the 50s by Monday, but I think we'll be somewhere in the low 60s. But then after that, we pretty much stick with low to mid 70s for pretty much the early April days. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I have more notes in the blog. Next video here will be posted at around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can't catch local TV stations this afternoon at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.